Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are diving into the world of planter ideas to help you transform your indoor and outdoor spaces into lush green heaven. Whether you are looking for modern space saving options, stylish hanging planters, or eco friendly choices, we have got you covered. From sleek ceramics to create dye options, these planter ideas will elevate your home decor and bring fresh life into any corner. Stick around for inspiring tips and unique designs to make your greenery stand out. Here are some indoor and outdoor planter ideas to elevate your interior decor. Number 1. Ceramic pots. Classic and versatile ceramic pots come in various colors, sizes, and patterns. They blend well with any interior style, whether modern, minimalistic, or women's. Number 2. Hanging glass planters. These elegant, transparent globes filled with small succulent or air plants create a floating garden effect for living rooms or kitchens with limited floor space. Number 3. Indoor planter stands. Raised planter stands with wooden or metal frames give plants a prominent display. They can be ground in different heights for a dynamic look. And number 4. Macrame hanging planters, ideal for adding a boho touch. These hand-woven holders can hang from ceilings or walls, holding small to medium-sized pots for tailoring planters like photos or away. Number 5. Wall-mounted planters. Stylish and space-saving wall-mounted planters create a green wall effect. These are great for herbs in kitchen or succulent in living space. Number 6. Self-watering indoor planters. Designed for convenience, these planters take care of the watering schedule by keeping the soil moist without overwatering, perfect for low maintenance plant care. Number 7. Glass bowl terrariums. These are perfect for small indoor planters or succulents and create mini landscapes into clear bowls, adding an artistic touch to decks or coffee tables. Number 8. Geometric metal planters. Ideal for modern interiors, geometric planters in gold, black, or copper are chic and minimalistic, suitable for succulent and or small plants. Number 9. Planters and shelf combo. Combining planters with shelving until allow for both storage and greenery. Great for small apartments. This dual purpose design saves space and adds real interest. Number 10 and the last one is recycled material planters. Eco-friendly options like planters made from recycled plastic, bamboo, or old metal containers add a sustainable, stylish or twist to any room. These planters will bring fresh, natural energy to your indoor spaces while adding to the aesthetic of your decor. I hope this video is interesting for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.